Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to fly a drone like a pro in less than 2 minutes. Let's go. This is a drone right here, and this is the RC, the controller. Oh, by the way, let me show you first on how you control the drone using this controller right here. So if you push the stick up like this, the drone will go up, and down the drone will descend. Left and right like this, the drone will rotate. While the other side of the stick, the right side stick, controls movement of the drone. So if you push the stick up like this, the drone will go forward, and down the drone will go backward. Left and right, the drone will move sideways. Alright, so let's do a test fly now. Cut nga natin.